Hey guys, it's Natalie from Last Place Films, and today we're going to be doing a shopping party for my friends. So I have 3 5-packs and 3 12-packs. A 5-pack and a 12-pack for my friends, and then I have an ice cream shop, the makeup spot, and the shoe dazzle. And I'm gonna open up for you guys and my friends. Woo! To the couch. Hey, let's open. I got the makeup spot. I bought. So first up, we have the makeup spot. So it comes with these 2 exclusive Shopkins. This is one of them, and I think this is her buddy. This part can come off and open, and you can store your Shopkins in there. And then they have shelves, and then they have a compartment for storing Shopkins, like steps, and then one of those makeup chairs. And then there is a display case storing Shopkins again, and then it comes with these 2 bags that open. So next up we have the shoe dazzle, and it comes with these 2 gel bags. Open. Comes with 2 of these. My baby brother has the other. Wait. I got all one. And it comes with 2 of these. They're like shoe boxes. You can store those in there. And then it comes with this slide type thing. And then it also comes with these 2 exclusive Shopkins. This one's my favorite too, because she's just fashionable. And then here's the other one. And also there's a carousel. Carousel. Comes with a step. 2 strings, and then a mirror. And then a mirror. And then that is the shoe place. Next we have my favorite, the ice cream shop. So I have the 2 shops. So it comes with these 2. And then there's a freezer that you can put them in. So this opens and closes. And this is the menu. It comes with these 2 cooler bags. And then it comes with this stand thing. And then
they're playing hide and seek.
And then this.
They're hiding from you.
Wait, what?
Cute. All right, we're all set up for the party.
They're hiding from you.